here. And the number of protons. Neutrons, Cloney. And electrons, Sebo, what's all? 8. Okay, aluminium, Sebo. Atomic number? Mass, Kutlano. Protons, Nekalo. Neutrons. And electrons. Iron, Ntando. 26. Mass. Khali.
56.
Number of protons. Neutrons. And electrons. Then again, Rorisang, chlorine, atomic number. Mass.
35.
Protons.
17.
Neutrons. And electrons. How did you get to 18?
It's 35 minus 17.
No, that's the neutrons. Whose work did you copy? Then how do you not know? Yes?
17 plus 18. No.
Not yet. Yes, you can. Zara? Why does it gain 1 electron? It's a negative, chlorine negative, so it means it gained 1 negative thing. It originally would have had 17 plus 1, now it's 18. Yes. Okay. Arsenic and Tepo. Mass. Not mass, atomic number. Mass. How much? 75. Protons. Neutrons. Yeah, 42. Ona, electrons? 36. Because originally it had 33 and then it gained 3 electrons. 36. Okay, calcium ion, Tando. And then 40. Hope? Neutrons. And electrons, 18, because originally it had 20. That plus 2 means it lost 2 electrons, so that's why it's 18. Rory Sang, next one. Sorry? 30. Mass, 65. Protons, neutrons. And number of electrons? 28. Why? Okay, then you have to calculate the molar mass. Now what I want you to do, Tepo, you're going to do a whole one. I want you to tell me 2 times 39 plus 2 times blah 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 plus 7 times blah 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 is equal to. Okay, so the whole thing, you must tell me. Okay, sharp, when you're ready?
2 times 39 is 46. Plus 2 times chromium is 52. Plus 2 times 7 times oxygen, which is 16, equals 294 times chromium.
Mooi. Okay, hier is goed klaar nog. Next one.
Calcium is 14. Oxygen is 16. And the hydrogen is 1. The temperature 72.
72.
74.
Ja, ik wil net zeggen, dat het 74 weer. Ja. How many oxygens do you see? Okay. Right, next one, magnesium carbonate. Yes, Carlo.
Magnesium 24 plus carbon 12 plus 3 times 16, which is oxygen, equals to 84.
Okay, next one.
27 plus 3 and then in brackets 14 plus 3 brackets 16, close the big brackets, which will equal to 1, 2, 3. No. 2, 1, 3.
Ona.
2 times bracket 39 plus 14 plus 4 bracket 1 close the bracket plus 31 plus 4 times 16 equals to 191.
Yes.
207.
Oh, sorry. Clooney's hand was up, sorry, Nintendo. Yes?
Magnesium, the first answer 294.
Yes.
Don't trust
Simple. Is it me or you? But what did you say? En niemand sê niks nie. Dankie, Clooney. He checked me. You didn't even check me. And I say this a million times. Remember, I'm not perfect, ne? All right, Nintendo, let's go. Yeah?
plus 2 plus 4 times 60 equals 303.
Khali, next one.
So then you're gonna say 56 plus 12 plus 3 bracket 60.
And then what does that dot mean?
Times.
Don't listen to Hope. It means what? Plus 5 times, and water's molar mass is 18, by the way. 2 plus 16. Gives you what, Holly? Grams per mole. What does the word per mean? Divide by. So it's grams divided by mole. Grams per mole. Right. Yes? Sharp? No, there shouldn't be any questions here. It should be easy peasy peasy. Okay, back to your notes. Okay. So, we've done up until now the idea of what is a mole. A mole is just the number of particles that you have. Okay, it can be the number of shoes, number of money, number of human beings, number of rulers, anything. The number of something you have is 1 mole, and specifically a mole is 6,02 times 10 to the power 23 whatever. Yes. You did finish the video. Okay, we didn't finish what I said here. Okay, so where did Avogadro come from with this? Or where do we get the mole? We come from Avogadro's law, and he discovered after a few experiments that if you have equal volumes of gases, oxygen gas and carbon dioxide gas, you have equal volumes of it. So you put it inside a container. Where are my containers? Okay, so you put it inside a container, and then it will take up the same volume. Same volume. And if you're at the same temperature and same pressure, then it will contain the same number of molecules. Okay, so that is what he discovered, and from there we get the concept of a molar gas volume. Molar gas volume, from there we go there. It says if we have 1 mole, 6,02 times 10 to the power 23 particles, 1 mole of any gas at STP. Okay, now what in the world does STP stand for? STP stands for standard temperature and pressure. Standard temperature and pressure. So we equalizing, we make the playground level. Okay, but what is standard temperature? It's 0 degrees Celsius or 273 Kelvin and 101.3 kilopascal. So that is standard temperature is 0 degrees Celsius and standard pressure is 101.3 kilopascal. If we are there at those conditions and we have 1 mole, so 6,02 times 20 particles, then those particles will take up a space of 22.4 decimeters cubed or 22.4 liters. Okay, and that 22.4 liters we call the molar gas volume. VM, molar gas volume, is 22.4 liters. Okay. Now, why is that important? Because sometimes we will have reactions, chemical reactions, and it will be an explosion, and we get 2 liters of gas. Now we want to know, but how many particles are there actually? Because if we know how many particles there are, we will know how it will react or how much it will react with another substance and another substance and another substance. Okay? So this whole chapter, and what we are going to get to in a moment, has to do with if we have, let's say we have a recipe, and this afternoon you want to go make cupcakes for your class for Friday. Are your class going to make cupcakes? Who's your registered teacher? Not at first break. I announced after assembly on Friday. You guys don't listen. Are you going to bake it?
You guys are baking a cake. For like what?
It's the school's 140th birthday this week. I announced in assembly on Friday.